Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Magic Transmission. And Magic Transmission, it's not a puzzle, but it's a mechanism that I wanted to achieve and that I have achieved. And what you can see here is it's a mechanism where the golden rotors are connected to the golden rotors and the silver rotor is connected to the silver rotor. And yeah, it's magic, because how can that work that way? You see, there is no connection between them at the outside, and how can it be connected like this at the inside? Well, let me show you the trick. I've used magnets. So this is a magnetic one-to-one transmission, and of course the magnets at the other side look like this, and it's a simple connection like that, and they go together. So that was my solution to get this mechanism working. And of course I made a larger version. So here we have the same concept, but now with three colors: gold, silver and bronze. And gold is connected to gold, silver to silver, and bronze to bronze. And you can make these beautiful patterns. This is inspired by the work of Kagan Sound, so I call them sound patterns, pun intended. But yeah, it's a nice transmission. Again, this one is using magnets, but of course since we have three layers, it's a bit more complicated, where things go over and under each other to make it work. I even made a third version, and this version uses gears. So again, red is connected to red, yellow to yellow, and green to green. So you see how it works. Again, these nice patterns. And let me show you the mechanism. So this is the mechanism, and it has gears. So here you see this one, and now we can get all the gears out, and everything held together by a screw. So yeah, I finally achieved my goal of making this magic transmission. I made a version with magnets and a version with gears. And my question to you is, which of the versions do you prefer, the magnets or the gears? Thank you for watching.